Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is difference between IR and FTIR. FTIR used in polychromatic light while IR used in monochromatic light. FTIR used an interferometer which make several scans. Fourier transforms is uses convert the interferogram into an inferred spectrum. IR works on a single spectrum. In FTIR, number of scanning are more, while in IR, single time scan. FTIR interferometer scan 50 times in a minute, providing better resolution. In FTIR is much faster and more effective than IR. Thank you for watching.